All right, so you got the passenger side spindle off. Huzzah!
Look at all that.
They just didn't deal with the grease. Well, I want to check that hub bearing while we're at it too. Hub assembly.
Yeah, it's right behind you.
So.
Well, we saw what the upper ball joint looked like.
No grease, but
didn't want to move.
Yeah. Well, that's got to be replaced.
I don't think it's supposed to be like that.
No grease. Is it going up and down?
Yep. Well,
oh, that's cute. It's brand new. And it was not lubricated. Shock.
wow.
How
sad.
Yep.
Dirty. See, I'm about to do the other side right now. And I guess we'll kind of see how that ball joint is. But I'm guessing.
Now
because the upper ball joint on that side was as tough as.
It was tight, just like this one.
Just like this one.
Okay, so
I'm gonna guess that lower ball joint is probably just like
toast, because that's taking all the load.
Yep.
it's
just taking it.
It's down low, taking all the loads. Anyway, well.
Okay.
Maybe the boys here can take this and get some of their money back from elsewhere, because that's called incomplete work or incorrect work. So that's always fun.
The drive shafts look good, or the axle shafts look good though.
Especially that one, because it's brand new.
I think the other one's new too.
No, it's rusty.
Is it?
Yeah. But we'll check it when we get it out. So just get ready to unbolt that, huh?
Yep. We'll get the other side out, and then
start
we're
getting
ready.
these arms out. Good job, Bernsey.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not too shabby for being a little rusty, of being in Napa, taking a vacation.
And you were it was a working vacation.
It was. It was fun though. It was nice and cool up there.
Sort of.
That was
All
nice
right.
and cool up there.
Yeah. Well, welcome back to the heat.
Yeah.
All right.